from the moment na nagkakilanlan tayo ng lubusan, sabi ko kay Lord, thank you for an answered prayer. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko na ikaw na yung nice kong makasama habang buhay.
Watching, counting every sunset to your back.
Who would have thought na part na tayo ng ating sariling wedding na nung una ay invited lang tayo.
When you said you'd wait, I knew it was something I was fighting for. The memory.
I personally think that it signifies how we both handle each other when things are rough. How we choose each other's strength when the other one is weak. How we collaborate and do not leave each other, instead we accepted each other's flaws.
It's 9 in the morning, won't be long until I'm back where I belong. And they say distance makes the heart go.
When you enter into marriage, this is a lifetime commitment. Wala na pong second chance. It is a lifetime commitment. So till death do us part.
When I'm back home,
I love. I am sure you will like this small present I will give to you as much as I do. I am excited to see you wearing this later. I love you. Love, Camille.
Love, sabi nila, love is sweeter the second time around. Ang masasabi ko naman is another wedding is sweeter, exciting, and unexpected the second time around. Nung nafe-feel ko mga challenges sa pagpapakasal, sabi ko, hindi na siguro ito mauulit. Pero nagbago yung isip ko kasi sabi ko, uulitin ko ito dahil ikaw yung dahilan ng to.
in the open air, we close our eyes and breathe in slowly. Knew we'd get here from the start. Finding magic in the
We will
day.
create a life full of meaningful adventures and build a home filled with love, understanding, and blessing.
And the morning speaks to these open dreams.
So G, buong puso mo bang tatanggapin si Camille upang maging iyong asawa, mamuhay ng makasama sa tipan ng pananampalataya, pag-asa at pag-ibig ayon sa layunin ng Diyos sa pag-aasawa?
Opo, Pastor.
Mas malakas talaga. Camille, buong puso mo bang tatanggapin si Soji upang maging iyong asawa, mamuhay ng makasama sa tipan ng pananampalataya, pag-asa at pag-ibig ayon sa layunin ng Diyos sa pag-aasawa?
Opo, Pastor.
In the steady breeze, we feel the rush of expectation.
Kung masaya kayo, kung saan man ako na kilalagyan ko ngayon, tandaan nyo na love ko kayong dalawa.
Chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark, we feel it still. And the morning speaks.
You are my greatest partner, my best friend, minsan kaaway, my wife, and most of all, my greatest blessing.
Anywhere with you. In the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is love. Take my hand.
Alam mo kung gaano kakahalaga sa akin. Alam mo yung lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo yung word na mahalaga, mamahalin, at aalagaan.
Writing stories.
of my vow, I don't have much to say because I will leave our marriage and the family we will build to God. I love you.
All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting